Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to episode 1, aka my first YouTube video. Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on how I make art on PixArt. So as you can see, I'm just taking a random photo of a lady. I made it black and white. It just gives it like a stamp feeling. I don't know. And using black and white photos like easy to make transparent like this. Say you want to like do it like this with the colored background. I do this a lot with my art on PixArt. So yeah, like there's a lot of stickers on PixArt that you can use, but the ones with the crowns are premium, meaning that you have to have PixArt Gold or something like that. Pay like $40 a year, which is not bad, but I mean, a lot of us are trying to budget and keep things on free sides. So yeah, I'm just using the eraser tool to erase the clouds to fit around her, like the frame of her face. And now I'm going into graffiti font generator. I use this a lot. I actually don't download the fonts on this. I just take a font I like, type, type something, change the color, and then generate, and then I screenshot it and take to the eraser app. I love the eraser app. I've also been using this for years, especially PixArt. Been using that for years. Yeah, I ended up changing the font, changing the color, so the auto erase can detect the color to erase it. So now I'm just auto erasing it and then cleaning up the background that I didn't get. And yeah, like eraser tool, eraser app, very essential to my art. I love you, eraser. It's like okay. Oh yeah. If you haven't already, go listen to Thundercat's new album. It just came out yesterday. Yes, I'm a Thundercat stan, but just go listen to it. It's too good. Anyway. But yeah, I'm just cleaning up. Not cleaning up, like changing the color, make it pop out. I'm gonna say pop out a lot. So yeah, like when I was making this, I was like, maybe this should have like a message to it. And it says, will I ever wake up from this dream? And I got it. See, I'm always like trying to be deep because I'm a deep person. Okay, like the message of this was, like it correlates with like lucid dreaming, like being aware that you're dreaming. And a lot of people think that they're dreaming right now, but this is not a dream, sweetie. We are in reality, and we are living through a pandemic. So I hope all of you guys are staying positive and hopefully in quarantine, hopefully staying clean, and shout out to all the essential workers. I know this is a hard time for you guys and your families, and I have close people to me that people are close to me that are essential workers, and I think about you guys a lot. You guys are the goats, and hopefully you guys get how would I say it? The pay that you deserve. Anyway, be nice to essential workers. Anyway, I'm back to the photo editing. I just took a mask, made it like textured. Now I'm taking, I took a solarization effect too, and to tie in with like dreaming, because I wanted to make this photo hyper, how do I say it, like fantasy type. A lot of my art is fantasy, uh, trippy. That's just my style. So yeah, I'm just blending. I took the eraser tool and started blending like to make it look a little more smoother. And now I'm going in with saturation, no Brockhampton. Okay, and I changed the colors a lot because I'm indecisive. If I do more tutorials, you're gonna see how many times I change the colors of my pieces. It's ridiculous. But yeah, this is very, very trippy. But yeah, I was going into the noise trying to add grain. I love using grain on pictures and whatnot. It just gives it that like aesthetic vibe. I can't talk for shit. I'm sorry, guys. I'm gonna get better with talking though. For future videos, maybe face reveal. Anyway, I went to Polar. Polar is another great app to use. Yeah, I go to Polar, see if I want to add more stuff. I love gradients. Add a gradient, cause gradient it was like the cherry on top of this Sunday. And yeah, and I changed perspective. There's a lot of cool things you could do on Polar and PixArt. Oh, and Polar is also a better photo editing app than Visco. Okay, I was using Visco for years, and like, okay, probably like 2 years, and it's okay, like it's good. But once I discovered Polar, I was like, man, Polar is so much more better. But I mean, Visco is also good if you want to find a community because you can post your photographs and whatnot. Yeah, I always add my name to my pieces just so people ain't trying to steal my artwork. And I say photo. That was it. And this was the result. I stutter so much. I am so sorry. I hope the result of this video was it inspired you to make some cool stuff on PixArt. So, thank you for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. And yeah, like, posy vibes, guys. We're gonna make it. It's all about the mindset that you guys have. So yeah, peace out. Take care. Much love. Thank you.